Twist a 4-finger bubble, a 2-finger round bubble, and another 4-finger bubble. This forms one set. Makes a total of 5 sets. Tie off the end and release any extra air from the balloon. Take another balloon. Twist a 3-finger single bubble. Place it between the 2 4-finger bubbles. Twist another 3-finger single bubble to secure the 2 single bubbles together. Twist a 3-finger single bubble again. Place it between the next set of 2 4-finger bubbles. Twist another 3-finger single bubble to lock them together. Repeat for a total of 5 sets. Twist a 2-finger round bubble to make the flower center. Twist all the 2-finger bubbles into pinch twists. Twist 3-finger ring bubbles. Assemble them together. Your star flower magic wand is ready.